Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Today I'm making garlic chicken lollipop, 棒棒鸡腿。Last week I went to a Chinese bistro restaurant and I saw a very interesting way to make drumstick. So use a regular drumstick and some important technique to shape it like a lollipop. Deep fry it, plus the garlic mayonnaise sauce. It tastes just wonderful. Let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to shape a drumstick into a lollipop. Use a scissor, cut the skin and the tender around here. Okay, make sure you cut through each tendon. Okay, and cut one slice here and the other side. And then turn the chicken drumstick inside out. Wrap it like this. Okay, so the first chicken drumstick lollipop is ready. Now I'm going to make the marinade. First, add the crushed garlic. 3 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of the 5 spice powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper salt. Okay, mix them together. Okay, and add the chicken lollipop. Make sure the sauce, the mayonnaise cover everywhere of the chicken lollipop. Okay, marinate for 1 hour. Let's prepare the garnish of the platter. Okay, chop it into slices. Slice the red radish. Okay, place the radish slice on top of the red cabbage. Okay, cut the line into wedge. Okay, prepare the garlic. Okay, slice it into garlic slice. Put the garlic slices aside and we will fry it together with the chicken drumstick later. 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic here and add 1 tablespoon of marinade and cooking sauce. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix well. Okay. Okay, after 1 hour, the chicken marinade ready, and use some fry powder. Dip the chicken drumstick lollipop. Cover with the fry powder. Use high heat to heat up half pot of oil. And let's fry the chicken lollipop. Okay, turn the heat to the medium heat. Fry the chicken drumstick to 8 to 10 minutes. Along the way, let's use a sieve to fry the garlic slices. Okay, turn off the heat and strain the oil for the garlic. Take out the chicken drumstick lollipop. Strain the extra oil. Okay, and decorate some parsley leaf. Also put 2 lime wedges on the side. Alright, so this is today's garlic chicken lollipop, 棒棒鸡腿. It looks so delicious. Also paired with these crispy garlic chips. It's just divine. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.